Assalamu alaikum friends, I am Arslan Siddiq and you are watching Make Money at Home. In this video I will guide you how to make money at home. So we are starting the video and we are going to the website. The website is gramfree. You know about that, it's a real legit website, and he paid very well. He pays in grams, and per gram value in dollars $2.13 per gram. So you can join this website. I can give you the link in my description. You can join the link. So we are starting. You can just work daily 5 to 10 minutes, and first of all you can do it a free roll. You can do it a free roll. You can every hour, after every hour you can just roll your dice and you can get gram. Just you can click on the roll button and then roll, and you got some earning. You can see that. Some numbers are played, and which number you can gonna get, you can earn. If you can get 1 to 300 numbers, you can earn 0 gram. If you 301 to 993, you can earn 1 gram. We can get 509 numbers, then we can earn 1 gram. So after that you can go on, you can start a smart contract, go on a smart contract, and then just sign a contract, and you can get 0.2 gram for signing the contract. You can sign each day 5 contract, and you can get 2 grams easily. And you can watch videos. Go now videos, and you can watch 5 videos daily, and you can earn per video 0.2 gram, and you can make 10 to 20 grams per day. And you can see that per gram value. You can go to the very withdrawal, and you can withdraw 500 grams. And if you invite your friend, and your friends can join and work on this website, you can guide properly, and he can work on this website. Go to the referrals, and I will tell you how to you can make a legit referral. You can just copy your link and give to your friends joining with your link, and you can get 5 grams if your friend passing one level. When your friend reach one level, then you can get 5 grams in your real earning. You can see that we have total invited 24 peoples, and just one people passing one level, and I can get 1% earning. In 23% we are 23% earning are pending in our account. So you can go to the dashboard. You can see my dashboard, and we are doing 58 rolls, 24 invited friends, 17 smart contracts, and 71 videos watched, and we are getting a handsome amount, round about 133 gram, and the per gram price is 2.06. It's fluctuated to 1.87 gram, $1.87 to $2.13. It's fluctuated daily on stock exchange. So you can see that it's a legit website. You can get withdrawal on 500 grams. It's more than 1,50,000. If you have, you can work on daily basis. You can earn daily 5 to 10 grams. If you earn daily 10 grams, you can reach your amount round about 3 to 4 months, and you can earn 150,000 rupees in 4 months. It's a handsome amount, and you can join this website. I will provide you link in description, and you can subscribe. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel for more updates. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.